What's up, it's your girl Elena. Today I'm be coming at you with a cooking video. Today I am making some chicken Alfredo, chicken spinach Alfredo, however you want to say it. I have my chicken breast right here, my spinach right here, and my cheesy Alfredo sauce and my noodles. Right now my water is starting to boil. My grease is boiling to make sure it's hot. So we're going to wash our hands and then get ready to start cooking. Alright, so now my chicken is all seasoned and good. I'm gonna put my flour in there so then I can put it inside my grease, which is heated up, but you always have to check it with just a little bit of flour, which I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. All right, now that my chicken is all seasoned, I'm about to take some flour and put it in here. About enough flour. Mind you, I have 3 pieces in here, so just mix it all around with the flour. And when you're cooking anything with like chicken or meat or anything, you want to make sure that one of your hands are at least clean, you know, so you can pretty much like touch the knob to turn on the water or whatever. So I got this all good and floured up. Making a good mess, but it's good and floured up. I want to wash my hands. Now what I like to do is I like to take a little bit of flour and put it in here and make sure that my grease is ready, which I'll do that again. I really can't. Take a little flour and then you want to just see if your grease is ready, which is ready because it's been sitting for a while. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my chicken just a little bit closer, my breast, and put it in there. Alright, now I'm about to make my spinach to go inside my chicken Alfredo. So with spinach, I like to put some butter inside my pan when I cook spinach. I don't really like to cook it with like grease and water. I just like to use butter. So while the butter is on there, I'm gonna let it melt, and then I'm gonna put my spinach on there. And my noodles are still cooking, but they're almost done. And I'm about to cook my chicken pretty soon. Multitasking is the best tasking. I'm gonna flip that chicken and take it and just flick it like so. And you wanna let your chicken cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. You like that golden, don't ya? Yep. So the spinach is in there. Now when you cook spinach, it actually like shrivels up. So it might seem like a lot, but by the time it's starting to cook, which it is, it shrivels up. And I'm gonna season it with some minced onions, some black pepper, some garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. And that's what my seasonings will be for my spinach alone. For a little side disclosure, I should have invested in like a stand-up tripod, and I will very soon, because this is hard trying to cook with just a whole tripod that's not You feel me? I can't sit it down nowhere, anything like that. But that's just a side disclosure. I'm gonna wash my hands again. Like I said, they go down. So now my noodles are done and ready. Now I'm about to take it over here and strain it over there. So the spinach is done, the noodles are done, and I'm just waiting on the chicken, which is almost done. What I'm about to do is I'm about to take the noodles from over here and put them back inside the pot that they came out of, and put the cheesy Alfredo sauce and put it inside with the noodles and also with my spinach. And then I'm gonna cut my chicken up and kind of just put it on the top to make it kind of look a little fancy or whatever. And that's pretty much how you make chicken Alfredo. So you guys will see the next couple steps because of course I'm gonna record it. So just stay tuned. Yeah, that's my clickbait. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what else you want to see me cook. I'm about to eat and finish cleaning up this kitchen. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace. It's very unladylike, but darn. Excuse me, but this food good. Y'all subscribe for more videos like this.